Ever wondered what it feels like to step into the heart of Camp Nou? Right now, we're inside the stadium, standing where the players will soon walk out. The seating areas are taking shape, the stands are rising, and the energy, it's already electric. But here's the catch. There's so much more you haven't seen yet. Let's get you closer. First up, let's talk about the grass. Yeah, the grass. It's not just any grass, it's the kind that's going to make this stadium feel alive. They're saying it'll be ready in just 15 days. Can you imagine? By mid-March, this place is going to look like a whole new world. Now, let's move to the stands. The seats are coming in, but they're still covered in dirt. It's a mess right now, but you can already see how it's going to look when it's done. The lower sections are almost finished, and the upper tiers, they're getting there. And don't even get me started on the player entrances. The tunnels, the changing rooms, it's all coming together. You can almost picture the players walking out onto the field. But here's the kicker, the structure itself. The beams, the pillars, the scaffolding. It's like a giant puzzle being put together piece by piece. And the best part? They're reusing some of the old materials. Smart move, right? So, what's the big takeaway? Camp Nou is transforming right before our eyes. The grass, the stands, the player areas, it's all coming together faster than anyone expected. And with just a few weeks left, this place is going to be ready for its grand reveal. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to come, and you're not going to want to miss it. Want to see more updates like this? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next big reveal.